Salazar Art Nation. My name is Frank Salazar, and today I will be unboxing this. Alright, so I got these in the mail today, or actually yesterday, but I'm doing the unboxing today. These are some artist pens. These are some really nice quality quality artist pens. I think they're Sakura. If I remember what it said on the label when I bought it. I like how these came in. I ordered this on Wish, and I had ordered from a different store. I had ordered some regular Sakura manga pens, which I have, or artist pens. I don't think they specified manga. They just said artist. These looks like the same brand. Just these are in color. Alright, so I had ordered some artist pens from Wish a while back. It's these, and when I got these, they were individually wrapped, in a little plastic wrapped. I had just one layer of bubble wrap around, not even taped, or it wasn't secure. It was just stuffed in a little plastic bag. And when I got them, two of them were damaged, so I can find, and they were noticeably damaged. You can see a little bit of ink spillage here. You can see it more here. It was actually ink was all over on the side on two of them, and one was just slightly damaged. They still work, but just the way it was packed, the way it was shipped, the way it got here. What I like about Wish, they do have a money back guarantee. So I got my money back, and I bought these that day, and I really like how they are packaged like this, which is what I thought those were gonna be, and I needed some color ones, so I got these. Right. That's it for the unboxing. Trying to find an actual brand name, like what it's actually called. Just as Superior. On the listing said Sakura. Alright, oh, that's it for the unboxing. Now I will actually use them. All right, so I had this drawing already done. I had already penciled it out. So what I did, I went over it with one of the pens I already have, with the brush, with my brush pen. Outlined it and then just colored in. Yeah, it's not the best coloring. I did mess up some of the shading, some of the lines. But I had this lying around. I didn't know what I was gonna do with it, and so I thought I'd use it just to show you the coloring. Yeah. And as I go along, as I will be drawing and doing more stuff that requires more color and not just two basic colors. So I know this didn't really show off, any skills or anything. I was really just tracing and filling in. All right, but that's it. That was the Superior pens. And so far, so good. None of them are leaking. Third check. Seem good. I think these are water based, so I could see some of the water there. So we'll see how these last. Alright, so that was my unboxing and my review of a Superior brush color pens. I liked them, I enjoyed them. I haven't got a chance to use them all yet. I just barely took out of the package, but I will be using these. Thanks for watching.